Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Treamer Machine is probably one of the most sought-after grooming tools for men looking to achieve a perfectly sculpted beard and a clean, precise shave with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making it an indispensable addition to any modern man's daily routine. Number 5. Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Kit 5622V. Introducing the Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Kit. Achieve a perfectly groomed look with ease, whether you're at home or on the go. This versatile tool is designed for mustaches, nose hair, and light detailing. It offers a complete grooming solution for all your needs. Enjoy the convenience of a rechargeable battery for consistent power. No more worrying about disposable batteries, just reliable performance every time. It comes with a bonus wet-dry battery nose trimmer for added convenience. Keep yourself looking sharp and tidy with this all-in-one kit. Experience precision cutting and comfortable handling. This trimmer is engineered for a smooth and efficient grooming experience. The Model 5622V is your essential companion for maintaining your personal style. It's designed to deliver professional results in the comfort of your own home. What we like. This trimmer offers great rechargeable convenience for all your grooming needs. It even comes with a bonus nose trimmer for added versatility. If you're looking for a compact and convenient option for light detailing and mustaches, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Treamer Machine for men is designed with a powerful motor that ensures efficient and quick hair removal. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, providing a smooth user experience. The machine features multiple attachments that cater to various grooming needs, offering versatility and precision. Number 4. Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000. Introducing the Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000, your all-in-one solution for a complete grooming experience. Achieve a polished look with ease. This versatile trimmer is designed for your beard, head, body, and face. Effortlessly style every part of yourself with precision. With 23 pieces included, the possibilities for customization are endless. Explore a wide range of styles to suit your personal preference. Forget the hassle of blade oil. This innovative design ensures optimal performance without the need for extra maintenance. Enjoy a seamless grooming routine with this kit. It delivers superior results every time, making it a must-have for any man. The Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000, model MG775049, is engineered for durability and performance. Experience the difference it makes in your daily routine. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides 23 pieces for ultimate grooming versatility. The best part? No blade oil is needed, making maintenance a breeze. If you desire a complete, hassle-free solution for beard, head, body, and face grooming, this is the ultimate all-in-one package. What people say. The Treamer Machine for men is designed with a powerful motor that ensures efficient and quick hair removal. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, providing a smooth grooming experience. The Treamer Machine features multiple adjustable comb attachments, allowing for precise control over hair length and style. Number 3. Pure Daily Care NanoSteamer Teal. Transform your skincare routine with this advanced facial steamer. It brings the spa experience directly to your home for ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation. Unclog your pores effectively and say goodbye to blackheads. This device penetrates deep to cleanse your skin like never before. Enjoy a perfectly tailored steaming session every time. Its precise temperature control ensures optimal comfort and effectiveness for your skin. Beyond facial care, it also acts as a humidifier, adding essential moisture to your environment. Keep your skin hydrated and your surroundings comfortable. Get started right away with the included bonus kit. It provides all the essential tools for a comprehensive skincare treatment. Utilizing cutting-edge nano-ionic technology, it delivers a finer, more effective steam. This enhances absorption and promotes healthier-looking skin. What we like. Experience spa-quality facials at home with its advanced nano-ionic steam technology. It effectively unclogs pores for clearer skin. If you're seeking a deep cleansing and rejuvenating facial experience to combat blackheads and improve skin texture, this steamer is your perfect at-home solution. What people say. The Treamer Machine for men is a game-changer. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The precision trimmer attachment is fantastic for detailed work, allowing for clean lines and sharp edges. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. Plus, the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver. I was skeptical at first, but the Treamer Machine exceeded my expectations. The different comb attachments offer a good range of lengths, making it versatile for various hairstyles and beard trims. The motor is powerful yet quiet, which is a huge plus. It glides smoothly over the skin without pulling or snagging, providing a comfortable and efficient grooming experience. Number 2. Philips Norelco OneBlade Face Plus Body QP263070. Introducing the Philips Norelco OneBlade Face Plus Body. It's the revolutionary hybrid tool designed for your grooming needs. Easily trim, shave, and style any length of hair on both your face and body. Achieve your desired look with precision and comfort. Its unique OneBlade technology cuts hair, not skin. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable shave, even on longer hairs. This versatile trimmer and shaver is perfect for all areas. Use it wet or dry for ultimate convenience. It comes with durable blades that last up to 4 months. Keep your grooming routine effortless and effective. The QP263070 model offers exceptional performance and value. Experience the difference in your daily grooming. What we like. This innovative tool acts as both a hybrid trimmer and shaver for your face and body. It's designed to deliver a comfortable shave without nicks or cuts. If you want a single device that can handle trimming and shaving for both your face and body with ease and safety, this is the one to get. What people say. The Treamer Machine for men is designed with a powerful motor that ensures efficient and smooth operation. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, providing a precise grooming experience. The machine features multiple adjustable settings, allowing users to customize their grooming style with ease. Number 1. Wahl Rechargeable Cordless Haircutting and Trimming Kit. Introducing the ultimate grooming solution for your hair, beard, and body. Achieve a professional look with ease, whether you're at home or on the go. Experience the convenience of cordless operation without compromising on power. This tool offers a smooth and efficient grooming experience every time. From precise haircuts to maintaining longer beards and full body grooming, it handles it all. Get the clean, sharp look you desire with its versatile attachments. Never worry about running out of power mid-groom. Its rechargeable battery ensures it's always ready when you are, providing reliable performance. This all-in-one kit is designed for comprehensive grooming needs. It's your go-to solution for maintaining your style from head to toe. What we like. Enjoy the flexibility of corded or cordless use with its powerful motor. It's designed for all body grooming needs. If you need a robust and reliable trimmer for haircuts, longer beards, and comprehensive body grooming, this kit offers the power and versatility you're looking for. What people say. The Treamer Machine for men is a game-changer for grooming. Its precision blades ensure a clean and comfortable shave every time. I love the ergonomic design of the Treamer Machine. It fits perfectly in my hand, making it easy to maneuver and reach all areas. The Treamer Machine boasts multiple attachments that cater to various grooming needs, from beard trimming to body grooming. It's a versatile tool for any man. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.